Yo, what's up guys? Adam here today for you guys. I actually have a video on Spotify. So Spotify, for you guys that don't know, is a music streaming service, and it just came out today in the United States. So basically it's been out in Europe, I think since 2008 I believe, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. So basically there's an Android application for Spotify as well as an iOS and computer application for Spotify that works on both Mac OS X and Windows. You guys can see here, this is the Mac OS X version of Spotify, and altogether it has a really nice user interface. And you guys can see here, there's a few different panels here. So basically how this works is you can search up here what song you want, you can search the artist, the album, wherever. And why I like this better than something like Pandora is because you can actually search individual songs, which is really cool. So for example, I just have Skrillex entered right here, and of course that's an artist, not a song, but you guys get the point. You guys can see I can actually select what song I want, which is something different than Pandora, which basically just plays a song similar to what you searched. You guys can also see here that you can star songs, and you can actually go to start and view them later. You can also hook up your iTunes library right here very easily in Spotify. You can actually play all of your iTunes songs straight from Spotify, which is really cool. So before we move over to the mobile version of Spotify, I do want to mention to you guys, this is not completely free. Spotify does have free parts on the computer, but there will be ads. But basically, if you do subscribe to something like the unlimited or the premium subscription, you guys can see here that the unlimited is $5 a month. And basically what you don't get is you don't get offline mode or enhanced sound quality, as well as exclusive content. But if you subscribe to premium, which is what I did, you get offline mode on the devices, and you also get access to the mobile application, which you don't get if you just do it for free. So guys, this is the mobile application for either Android or iPhone. Basically, you can get an unlimited or premium subscription, and you do have access to the mobile application. Like I mentioned, if you don't pay, you cannot actually get the application, which is kind of unfortunate. But there's 4 panels here. There's, first off, playlists, which you guys saw on the computer. The next one is tracks, and basically allows you to search for them. So you have tracks, you have albums, and you have artists. The next one is basically the What's New page. You can look at all the updates from Spotify and some of the latest songs. And finally, there's settings, and settings actually allows you to use the offline mode if you actually do pay for the premium subscription. And you can also look at, stuff like the stream quality, depending on how good your internet is, and all of that. So anyways, guys, that's about it for Spotify. If you have any further questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to leave a like rating below if this video helped you guys out, and subscribe. Thanks all for watching.